Irish summer and it's raining.
Hello and welcome back, folks. Even if it's raining where you are, we're going to celebrate by making some Loco Moco. This dish was concocted at the Lincoln Grill restaurant in 1949 after some students asked the proprietor to create a dish for them that was neither expensive or a sandwich. Loco Moco was born. Even though its name literally translates as Crazy Snot, it became a firm favourite comfort dish amongst Hawaiians. Okay, let's go.
Loco Moco is essentially sticky rice topped with a hamburger patty and crowned with a freshly fried egg. The whole dish is drizzled with gravy. We're going to make the hamburgers first. Add 1 pound of ground beef into a mixing bowl. Half a cup of dried breadcrumbs. Half an onion finely chopped. 1 egg. Half a teaspoon of salt. Freshly ground black pepper. And some Worcestershire sauce. Mix all the ingredients together in the bowl. Form the meat into 4 patties. Cook the burgers to your liking in a frying pan and set aside. To make the gravy, use the same frying pan you used to cook the burgers. Add in 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of plain flour, mix the two together over a low heat to form a roux. Pour in 500 milliliters of beef stock. Season the gravy with Worcestershire sauce and some salt and pepper. Keep stirring until the gravy has thickened. To serve, place some freshly cooked sticky rice onto a plate. I'm using Thai jasmine rice here. Place a hamburger on top of the rice. Pour on the gravy. And top with a fried egg. Garnish with some freshly chopped chives. And that's how you make classic Hawaiian Loco Moco. The full list of ingredients are in the description. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, and see you next time.